Today, new video, and we're gonna talk about some new products, and at least for me, and we're gonna talk about this AirPods Pro 2nd generation, and let's see if they are any good or not. Hey, what's up? And welcome to my new video. So today, as I said before in the intro, we are gonna talk about this new AirPods Pro 2nd generation, and I'm not going in depth in the review of these AirPods 2. You can see a lot of review online, more specific and more technical. I will do only my first impression on this pair of headphones because I've tried a lot of headphones in my experience. So I had Samsung, I had Xiaomi, I had like non-brand one. So I tried pretty much any wireless headphones on the market, and pretty much I know how I can rate these 300 euros pair of wireless headphones. So before starting the first impressions, I'm gonna say that this is a gift. So it is a gift from my girlfriend. Actually wrote my gaming tag here on the AirPods just because I'm a big gamer, so it was a wise choice and I like it very much, of course. But anyway, if you follow my channel for like a few months or a few years, you know that I'm not using as a main phone an iPhone, so I am using actually a Xiaomi phone, and I still have to test this pair of headphones on my Android device. I'm sure that they work pretty good also, but they will miss pretty much any of the important function, like the function of the ecosystem of Apple. Anyway, if you watched one of my older video on this channel, you can see that I have unboxed this iPhone 14 Pro Max. And so I am rocking this right now. I've tested this pair of headphones with this iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I could experience all the feature and all the benefit of having two Apple products. So my first impression on the ecosystem, we can say it is very good. Actually, the headphones connect to your phone like very quickly and easily, and you don't have any quality loss and performance loss while you're listening audios or anything. And also you don't have any delay when you're listening to a video on YouTube, or maybe when you are editing a video, because I am using also these wireless headphones with my MacBook. So I have my MacBook Pro where I edit these videos. So I just edit with these headphones and I don't have any delay. And this is a very good thing because with this you can create a very portable setup to work pretty much anywhere in the world. But anyway, let's talk about these headphones themselves. As I said, I've used for quite a bit now. It's been like a few weeks, and I think they are very good headphones. I mean, for the price, they should be very good, right? And yes, I'm gonna say first, the only thing that I don't like about these headphones, it's the build quality of the case, because it's just not quite Apple quality, in my opinion. And it feels like a little bit cheap because it's plastic, and yes, it does make a good sound when you open it and close it. Other than that, it is pretty much plastic like every other headphones. And I've just tried different headphones, and this one is not the best for the build quality. I mean, it's not the worst too, but sometimes it feels like a little bit off if you compare to any other Apple product. I'm gonna put this case near the microphone so you can hear the sound of the plastic of this case. Anyway, other than that, they are pretty much perfect in my opinion, and the sound quality, it is very good actually. Also, if you are at high volume, you don't have any quality loss, as I said before. And also you can hear pretty much any range of music, we can say. So you can hear the bass, you can hear the mids, and you can hear the high. I mean, it's like a little bit more bass oriented in my opinion, and a little bit more on the mid side, but overall you can hear pretty crispy audio, and that's what I'm hearing. I mean, I'm not a professional, I'm not an expert, but this is what I'm hearing from my experience. And if I have to compare it like against the Samsung one are just a little bit more on the bass than this one. So this one are just a little bit more clear, so more towards the mid side. But overall, they are very good, both of these headphones. Now let's talk about the fit that they have. I mean, They have like 4 measure for your ear, and also you can do a test. So you can launch on your iPhone a test for the best ear tip that you should use. And also it's a good thing that they are 4, because usually they are like 2 or maybe 3. Here you have 4. I feel like pretty good with the standard one, so the one that comes with these headphones. They are pretty solid when you put them in your ear, but I think they are not the best on the market. I mean, you cannot do like intense run and all of this intense sport with this on, because they're gonna fall off. If you are doing like light run or maybe light other sports, you are pretty sure that this won't come off. I use this with my weightlifting and I don't have pretty much any problem. So if you do like gym weightlifting, you don't have any problem, they will not fall off. Talking about the battery on these headphones, it is pretty good, and I cannot say precisely how much it can last. I've used a lot in the day, but from time to time I usually have the habits to just charge them. I don't have like a very specific number to give you, but I can assure you that 1 full day of work, it is pretty good, because I usually do a lot of calls, a lot of music. In a day, I cannot just discharge the headphones and also the case. Anyway, let's come to the best feature that we have on this pair of headphones. And in my opinion, it is the active noise cancellation, because it's, I think, one of the best that I've tried on the market. And it feels very, very good, because you can isolate very, very well from the rest of the world, we can say. So if you have to concentrate, if you don't want to hear anything outside of your music or your podcast or any of this stuff, just turn on the active noise cancellation and you are pretty good to go. It's working really, really well, especially if you are maybe a traveler, so you travel a lot, take a lot of planes. So when you are up in the air and you don't want to hear like the screaming baby or the other passenger just coughing and screaming, just put on the active noise cancellation and you will be very, very relaxed instantly. So in my opinion, it's working very, very good, as I said before. Anyway, these were my first impressions on this AirPods Pro 2nd generation. So if you have any question, just let me know it down below in the comments, so I will be happy to answer your comments. And also, if you did like this video, just hit a like button down below. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, just subscribe and you will not miss any other content of this channel. Anyway, that's pretty much it. So I hope you have a good one. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.